Hello, my people. How are you doing? Today we're going to make chemex step by step. The first, setting your tools you need before you start brewing your chemex. This is the chemex maker, and we have a paper filter for chemex, and then we bring your coffee beans. After setting your tools, and then starting the preparation how to make our drinks. Now we're going to measure our coffee beans we use to brewing our chemex 18, and then grinding size for we use coarse to make chemex. And then we make our hot water to 90 degrees Celsius. Wait our water be ready. We have to make paper filter for chemex. We make like that, and then you can take one part of paper filter, and then rinsing. We remove papery taste. Our to start to brewing. Our first pour over, we put 3 tons of water to our coffee powder. It means that we use 18 grams for coffee beans. The pour over, we put 54. We put 108. Last pour over for our chemex. And then wait for our coffee be ready to serve to the customer. It will take like 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Our chemex will be ready. We're going to serve to the customer. Then before we serve, this paper filter with then mix our pour over